Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Incubator. First, understand that this program helps innovative startups grow by providing resources and guidance. You'll need to assess if your product aligns with Amazon's strategic interests, often focusing on new technologies or customer experiences. Prepare your initial business concept and team overview, as these are crucial for the first stage of application. This foundational step ensures you're ready for the detailed submission process ahead. The application process involves submitting a detailed proposal outlining your business model, market opportunity, and team expertise. Amazon evaluates submissions based on innovation, scalability, and potential customer impact. Be ready for a rigorous selection phase, which might include multiple interview rounds and a pitch presentation to a panel of experts. Demonstrating a clear vision and a strong understanding of your target market is key to advancing. Participants gain access to invaluable mentorship from Amazon leaders and industry veterans, offering strategic advice and operational insights. The program often includes financial support, potentially in the range of tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, alongside opportunities for further investment. You'll also leverage Amazon's vast ecosystem, including cloud services, marketing channels, and a global customer base, accelerating your product's reach and adoption. After completing the incubation period, focus on executing your launch and scaling strategies, utilizing the insights and connections gained. Amazon often provides continued support, such as access to alumni networks and potential partnership opportunities, helping you navigate market challenges. Many successful ventures from the incubator go on to achieve significant growth, sometimes integrating deeply within Amazon's own services or becoming key suppliers. This long-term vision is crucial for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.